If you were to ask me what the top conclusion from the report, I would say the following, that there is a cycle of fair process that underpins trust and transparency, and the cycle is highly structured. It needs work and it needs visibility at all stages of the cycle. And if there's one thing that someone should take away, it is that there is a deliberate, structured mechanism by which law firms and clients need to interact. They need to give each other visibility in what they do. The most surprising thing for me was how transactional the interactions are. Now, I understand that interactions would be transactional for relatively new pairings of law firms and clients, but over the years, there seems to be a pattern that is developed where the work is essentially task-based, instruction-based, rather than relationship-based. So that was the most surprising thing for me. The most important takeaway for law firms, I think, is that the cycle of transparency needs an extra bit of effort. That extra bit of effort might seem a little bit superfluous, and we usually don't have time for it, but in the long run, that piece of work done in a structured way pays very rich dividends in creating a virtuous cycle of fair process. The most important takeaway for clients is that they really need to give law firms a better sense of visibility of their underlying business problems. I know that they are under pressure to solve the problem, but it always helps to give better context and insist on giving better context to the law firms.